nakalagay na ilang quantity tickets kayo, ha? Siguro, while having our lunch, will be, i-conduct min sa draw siguro with Mama Isa. Ay, sutikat kayo, sutikat. Okay. For further announcements, dati paayayam tayo. Our games.
After lunch, this will be after lunch.
This sports tournament tayo matikat, ongoing, ano? December 17, continuation of sports tournament and games. No, rugby, dati mini concert tayo niya.
Italwakan na elementary school. Okay, you're all invited. Kaya dati tickets na, remind me lang. May natin nga pa pa lang tayo, mini concert, Italwakan Elementary School.
I-showcase tayo, nagito yung talents, nagito yung kakadwani kini ma'am na uping. And of course, we'll be having our awarding of prizes and certificates. No 17, no? Once again, maraming salamat po. Maraming kailangan sa lunch tayo na anusan tayo na weekend tayo.
Okay, so that wraps up our activity for today. Thank you very much, Ti Panagumayo. Thank you very much sa TTSU, Tipudot, iti ang amin. Thank you for your patience. Thank you, Ti Smile to you, and you can na kami. Again, happy fiesta, iti barangay.
Happy Fiesta! Luwakas pa sa barangay. Enjoy your lunch. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.